pretty cold. I wanted to show these mountains up here. This beauty up in Lytle Creek, my goodness gracious. It's beautiful. Why aren't we coming up here for church trips, day trips? It's beautiful. There goes the clean mobile. Here's me. Let's go take a quick walk and check this sign out down here. I'm about 20 minutes. Well, my GPS says I'll arrive at my next stop 20 minutes ahead of time, so I got some time to burn, but I like to be there early, you know? Should we do it? Should we take a minute and go check it out? Let's do it. Wow, this is pretty cool stuff here. Wow, look at that. Thanks for watching.